Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this, okay? So I check this every day. And of course, the one day that I was late on this, Mellow Man, I'm sorry, Mellow Magic, let me know that this happened. So what we do is to know this is not bullshit. We go to nft.gamestop.com, hit enter. We see the website here. We scroll down. This is the source code. We copy this, we paste it into Google. Then etherscan.io comes up as the first link. You click on that at the top. And this is the official GameStop NFT wallet right here. Okay. Now, what we do is we go here. We see transactions. We go over history. Then we have internal ERC20, ERC721. We have the contract. What we do here, we go to token, right? Contract overview. This is the contract. So the token involved. Let's go to Loopring. This was not here as of an hour ago. Check this shit out. Boom. 56 minutes ago, Coinbase 2. 42 minutes ago, Coinbase 2. So is this the beginning? Is this confirmation? Not sure. However, this is new. It is official. We have Loopring transferred to the official GameStop wallet. So, oh man, I'm jacked. So now, I mean, if this is the case, on top of GMEDD coming out yesterday with Loopring source code confirms GameStop NFT marketplace is underway, that means what do we have to do? Wait. That is it. That is how easy this is. And remember, we reported on the job listings, so this is all news that came out back to back to back. We have the job listing, we have the NFT drop from Loopring source code, and then tonight, just now, less than an hour ago, we have a transfer from Coinbase 2 into the wallet of the official GameStop token as found on their own website. Damn, man. What a time to be alive. Let's go.